Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at why is your continuous clean oven not cleaning properly. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. So, you bought a continuous clean oven with the hopes that it would always be clean. Except there's one little problem. It's not continuously cleaning for you. Why is that? The first possibility of why it's not cleaning properly is because you're not using the oven frequently enough. The continuous clean finish works best with longer baking times and higher usage. This helps bake off any additional stains or grease until it flakes off. The second possibility is you may be using improper cleaners. Powdered cleaners and commercial oven cleaners should not be used on continuous clean finishes. The chemicals in the cleaners will clog the porous finish, preventing the material from being able to function as intended. Cleaners such as Fantastic or 409 may be used in isolated high spillage areas, but be sure to rinse the area with a small amount of water after to prevent clogging the porous finish. Of course, the best way to keep your oven clean is preventative, by trying to prevent spills or splattering when cooking. It's always advisable to have covers or foil over foods that can splatter or spill. Then you can sit back while your continuous clean oven keeps itself clean. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.